Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to share with you something I have been waiting for a long time to buy, which is my first professional camera. After a lot of research and budget consideration, I decided to go with the ZV-E10, the Sony ZV-E10. You may wonder, why going for ZV-E10 in 2024 when you have the new option of the ZV-E10 Mark II or the A6700. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing why exactly I choose the ZV-E10 and what is it doing for me as a new and upcoming content creator. So let's dive into why ZV-E10 is a perfect fit for me as a new content and as a new creator, and why I choose this over the alternative models. The Sony ZV-E10 mark a balance between availability and performance for me, making it ideal for someone like me who is just starting out. Yes, so the camera offers a 24p APS-C sensor that delivers a sharp, vibrant color for both photography and videography. When I'm trying to choose the camera, I'm considering something for video content like this and also for photography. I have interest in both ends, and I think the ZV-E10 is able to achieve that for me. So I'm also considering the budget option, the budget first, because I have a limited budget. Another huge factor for me is the price. I got my ZV-E10 with the kit lens from AliExpress for about $650. Yes. So for the newer model, the ZV-E10 Mark II actually costs roughly about $1,000, and the A6700 is even like almost like times 2 of the cost of this ZV-E10. As a beginner like me, trying to learn the hooks and cracks of the content creation and making videography and photography and this, I think I'd rather invest the extra money if I actually have it into more of like getting a better lens and camera that actually goes along with it than getting those cameras. The ZV-E10 Mark II and the A6700, even though they provide a more advanced features, I don't think at this point I need those features for now. So the ZV-E10 actually offers me everything I need to be able to achieve as much of what I need to achieve at this point of my journey. As much as I would love to get the A6700, especially because of the electronic view finder, it's out of my budget. I cannot justify paying 2 times the cost of the ZV-E10 for it right now. This camera, the ZV-E10, is incredibly user-friendly. It is designed that it's lightweight, easy to carry. I'm able to actually carry this around to a lot of places, to work and to church, and a lot of time. They have a flipper screen, so there's no need to get an external monitor for me, which I don't plan to get for now. And also some features, like the product showcase and other things, makes it a perfect fit for a perfect camera for me at this point in time. To take it a little step further, I'll also get the small ring case to actually help along in protecting the camera and also improving the grip. So in summary, that's why I actually decided to go with the ZV-E10 as my first professional camera. It's affordable and it's packed with essential features that's needed to kickstart content creation journey. While A6700 still remains on my wish list for the future, for now, this ZV-E10 Mark I is giving me everything I need, so without breaking the bank. And with the small ring change, it's even more versatile. It's ready to grow with me as I improve on my content creation journey. Thank you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop comments in this video. See you in the next video.